Hello, welcome to Assembly for today. It's a bit hot. I hope you're all okay. I hope you're all drinking plenty of water and staying out of the sun, and you're wearing your nice loose fitting clothing, and we'll all be okay in the heat. It'll all be all right. So what I thought I'd do is I'd give you an assembly today just with something fun, because we love sharing a good book at Wincham. It's lovely to share stories, and I found a new one. That I hadn't come across before. And one of the things that we love at Wincham as well is exploring with language and reading stuff and learning new words, learning new vocabulary that is interesting to use. So I thought I would share this book with you because it's pretty cool. And it is this: the whole alphabet is totally embarrassed. Now, I reckon when you were younger children than you are now, you had those alphabet books that had apple, boat, or banana, or whatever. And then you went through and you could, mum and dad would hold you to the book and you would say, I don't know, T-Rex or whatever it was. I've no idea. This is a totally different version. This is a bit more grown up, and there's a whole new load of words for each letter. So let's have a look at what happened. The whole alphabet is totally embarrassed. A accidentally asked for anchovies and made an awful aroma in his apartment. B burped out a bubble in front of the boss. C got caught crunching cinnamon candies in church. Oh, it's not good. D's dad did a disco dance. It was a disaster. E is easily embarrassed every time he eats 11 eggs. I bet he is. Can you imagine eating 11 eggs? I'm not even going to share this one with you because I don't like that word. G gets all googly-eyed and giggly when he talks to girls. H hiccuped so horribly that someone hurled a hamburger at his head. Hope that helps. I had the irrational idea to sell ice cream on the internet. J told a joke nobody enjoyed. Why did A run away from the alphabet? Because a B was after him. Get it? A B. Not very funny. K tried to kiss a kangaroo and she got kicked. L led a lion into the library and he was loud. Ladies, I love your leggings. They look lovely. Who here likes lemon loaf? Roar. Lol. M made a mistake and called the mailman Mommy. Mommy! Oh, my mistake, mister. N had a nosebleed. His nana noticed. O overflowed the only toilet in the office. Oh, no. P peed his pants at a party. Oh, no. Q quacked at the Queen. And the Queen's going, weird. R is about to realise that those random raisins aren't really raisins. Have a look. What are they? Oh, no. S got sprayed by 7 smelly skunks. T was terrified by a toy Tyrannosaurus Rex and tumbled into the toilet. U has ugly, uncomfortable underwear. V vomited on vacation. W walked on a whoopee cushion at her wedding. What could be worse? X ran into her ex while examining extra large boxes of laxatives. Y got yelled at in yoga for yakking. And Z rode a zip line into the end zone of a zebra at the zoo. Oh dear. Poor zebra. There we go. We've got a really simple story, but it's really, really clever as well, because you've got all of those different things that happen. I love it. It's really good. Now, that's that. Okay, so I'm going to give you something to do. On Wednesday, we are going to talk about the Summer Reading Challenge, but I'm going to set you an extra piece of summer holiday homework. It will take you seconds to do, and it's really, 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 really easy and fun. So I did it this morning. So all the teachers are going to join in. Everybody's going to do this as well. I would like everybody this summer to try the Extreme Reading Challenge. So I did my Extreme Reading Challenge this morning when I went out on my walk, and I'm going to show you. There you go. There's me on the local playground, reading my Kindle. And it's a good job I kind of caught this photo, or this photo was caught as it was because the swing was moving quite a lot at the time. And then I decided after that I would try another photo. So it could be something really easy, like playing on the swing. You just need to read somewhere different, somewhere that you haven't read before. Or it could be that you're reading to somebody different. So at the playground, I carried on reading my Kindle to Leah. And you can see Leah looks like she's enjoying the story. So you could, let's have a think about where you could read. And then we want a photo sending into school. You could read up a mountain. You could read sitting in the boot of the car. You could dress up in fancy dress and lie in the bath and read, or read in the paddling pool. You could read in a tent. You could read, instead of in your bed when you go to sleep at night, you could lie under your bed and read. You could read while you're cooking. You could read while you are doing the dishes for mum and dad. You could read, where else could you read? You could go to the park and read like I did. You could go for a walk somewhere and read. You could go to the supermarket with mum and dad and sit in the trolley and read. Lots and lots of ideas. If you go on holiday and you're taking a book with you, you could read there. You could, I saw a photo of a dad who was helping their child with this. Their child was quite small, so dad picked the child up by the legs and the child was reading upside down. Lots and lots of different ideas. So what we would like you to do is all the teachers are going to do this, and we are going to have a little class gallery, print out all the photos, and we're going to print them all on one big sheet of paper like that. So there is a poster of Badger's Extreme Reading Challenge or Oak's Extreme Reading Challenge for the class that you are going into. So if you are a woodpecker now, you're going to be in Oak's class. It will be Oak's Summer Reading Challenge, and there will be all of your photos and Mrs. Miller's Extreme Reading Challenge photo as well. Okay, so that we can all see what those are. So we want you to email, or we want mums and dads to take the photo. So all you need is your phone, and we want you to email the class email address. So it will be oaks@winchamcp.cheshire.sch.uk, or spiders or squirrels or whatever. Just reading somewhere different, somewhere new, somewhere unusual. Okay, could be reading to your dog, could be reading to your pet hamster. Lots of different possibilities. Okay, so please, please, please get that done. Have a think about somewhere exciting to read, because it's just about sharing that love of reading, because we love a good book at Wincham. There you go, guys. Have a lovely rest of the day. I hope you stay cool. I hope you get the chance to read a good book, and I hope you have a lovely day in the sun. Yeah, ta-ra.